roads wey dey comot for Babaju enter for inside Bamenda. One of the main work wey Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he don talk this afternoon for Commercial Avenue say as wey dey comot Bamenda work for that road e go start. As wey don talk he say the people dem wey dey be the help country for fix that road wey na World Bank we sabi to be happy wey dey be born motor. He don talk say all thing dem don fix am. Say the first thing wey dem go start for do am na for say make suffer for people dem wey dey walk on top that road or people them where they waka from Bamenda enter for inside the West Region, and one them where they come up for different place or enter Bamenda they no go suffer. So the Bamenda Road Prime Minister he don't promise a walk, it go start as way they come out inside Bamenda. Tori for this afternoon too, we go look other matter them for thing the way they happen for inside we country apart from the waka for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute. Big people them talk this afternoon. It tell we say no matter how we bullets e waka quick e no fit ever touch a sky. No matter how we bullets e waka quick e no fit ever touch sky. Big people them talk e come out from Ndicha Amelis wey e dey look we from Banga for Mongo Division. We dey turn back small time country people them. Country people them we glad for salute una for outside this afternoon. Na chapter 2 for Tori for inside Tori house as una sabi plenty Tori them day. Make we take una enter for some other Tori them before we take una for inside Bamenda. Waiting they happen for the but just now the carton them or the bag they wanna see am so na wrapping paper them where would the yes na custom people them catch am for side so for Mudeka. Now for inside the Limbe also here for side for Fako Division where the custom people then catch this wrapping paper when governor he don't knock am for table say they no one see say make people they use them again, but the wrapping paper it is also enter for inside we country custom. They catch am for place where they call am say Mudeka. For Fako Division for far north make we take una go for place where they call am say Magada. Now for the way they so custom people them catch so take 450 different carton them for different medicine where it be the enter for inside Magada for far north region for backside. Sabi say if the cargo there for enter for correct way the custom people they for ask, but just for say they be the tiptoe and they be the tip native before they bring them. Now for the way custom people then say they put them up inside the matter so they cargo them this medicine them the different carton them for medicine it they with the custom people them inside Magada for far north region. Make we take una go just now from Konsamba for Mongo Division country people them with the yes the Central Market and even Marche Bay as we they call them from Konsamba. It shows a population and the business people them where they get for sell inside market. They don't abandon market. They left place for inside. They sell them now for corner road according to Tori way enter for we here. But just now the big question where people they don't ask them why the business people they left space inside market they go for roads they never fit for answer. But one problem where they enter for we here that they try for tell we say water you know they for inside the market. So now for seek that one way they so the people them they decide for they do their business now for corner road so that they even get water safe for a corner road. So as soon as see container them for day they the way na say make rain fall so that water it enter for day. So plenty space them inside the Central Market and Marche Bay for a side where they call them say Konsamba. Business people they don't abandon now for them up for the business place the big market set where these business people they sell for day, and the problem they say water you know they inside the big market. So down for them for she done for inside market whether not for the Central Market or Marche Bay better they sell them for roads where water they fit see am or maybe even rain self before they fit carry and sell for some water as we Tori he enter for inside we here. And one of the big problem where the people them for Konsamba them get na toilet, the public toilet where they say they build them since 2019. So today for say water no dey they no the fit for use the toilet just they abandon so na the CM. So the people them no ask me time where nature he call them who side they use or go left out in that one now only them sabi. Make we hear someone being a woman talk for microphone for Siren Jemba.
For Konsamba here, it don't pass we. Market the fair worker. The old thing now with the go bush with the can you buy plantain for big price. You come from Konsamba that the fair price them they give you. Then they even fair give you say the suffer the suffer. See road for enter market in all day. Mem toilet for peace. See place Place market not there for market. You know, myself say yourself even come from Konsaba market, not even know say na Konsaba market. But may you go for different places, may you go Melon or Manjo, may they see how they arrange market. But for year, organize the place. But from Konsaba here, no nothing. You know they go time for planting day you want. See we would sell planting inside Solar, even for big with small house, we would pay a ticket every day. No nothing, they no one do am for we.
Yes, na Benin woman that for inside and Konsamba way the complaint. Now we meant to read this afternoon. Make we see whether we fit land for Commercial Avenue just now. As well the top country people them. Now the place that way Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute as well na Sabi. He enter for Bamenda on a Tuesday. So Commercial Avenue as well the talk now for the Ngando ground. Now for the way population don't gather for here with Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute. He get them for talk for them the whole place. Uniform people them day way be normal. Say they so they get for day for inside the matter. And Sabi say Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, he don't announce this afternoon. Say as well the turn back come up for Bamenda. May the Sabi say that problem for Bamenda Babaju Road. Now one of the first thing that where they go see say he walk, he go start. Say they don't already finish talk out in with the World Bank when they say where they get for come do waiting, come for can help Cameroon for fix that road. Stay Sabi say the road it overstay as well Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he talk for population for Commercial Avenue this afternoon as soon as they see live image where they come up from that side where they say thank you for Amos Fongo and the other team where they did down we get Babila Jonathan Donald Breeze Kamga even Boostella all them where they struggle for CC make we say so they get image as well they happen inside Commercial Avenue. So as well don't talk one of the trunk team where Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute don't announce now say waiting road for Bamenda Babaju it go turn fine but other thing the day and that other thing na peace wey don also continue for beg say make population for Bamenda they try for calm down say they don't overkill whether na uniform people them or na the civilian wey they don't die all them na so Cameroon so make they try for see as well they go bring peace inside town so that town it go turn back to normal. The city mayor for Bamenda Oga Paul Tembeng na he talk am good for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute for Commercial Avenue this afternoon.
If you think that life, go back to the scripture. Let me start this issue of killing. You kill soldier, you kill police, you kill this one, you kill this one. That person you will kill is not the same blood like you. Let me stop. But now I'm here. Proceed better than you go with each other. Rather, the reward. Now talk about this. All you and every one of you, we perform part today. It will come for me again, and I pray you when it comes finish, you will get something to take at home. Go tell your brother, your sister.
City Mayor for Bamenda wey the talk for population as we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute did just now for inside Commercial Avenue and some of the strong message them too with the population they picking them carry and for them skin as we they did thank God say face mask day so plenty of them they cover face and even the paper they use them so the talk said them the one being at the people them with the one build tomorrow Bamenda the one build tomorrow Cameroon the talk say they don't tire for the fight said they be prepared just now for go school say education now they just now their own goal say this palaver for peace they want and say make it stop so now them be na the tomorrow leader them so they want start for use that one so them too they the beg peace as we wanna see the different messages them where it dey for Commercial Avenue just now as so they talk for now with this live image. Make we hear small talk from Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute.
Today we will talk for the matter and say fear don't finish. Because since I came yesterday, I see the huge numbers of people when they come out to welcome me. In spite of the fact that threats are big.
Part for this strong talk for Commercial Avenue for population for Bamenda, we go bring them for morning time. Country people them be just so sabi. We sabi say for inside Bible, the talk say dove or dove, yes, na tin way the show say na peace. And that dove way they so population, we get the city mayor, Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, Governor Adoblele Lafrique, they don't leave am. They say they want peace for inside Bamenda. Make we take una back for time. Inside Commercial Avenue, as hotel una, Tory House, Ide for day, and also the happen na go see am. But Sabi say that thing, as we Commercial Avenue, Pakatu, na so doctor them say the day for corner, wana Sabi say corona, it never finish, so the doctor the day, we get them with the day they struggle for CC make all man, he get the face mask for his nose, and he get hand sanitizer and other thing them for local them skills. Sabi say Bamenda, he never overstay with the big doctor for day, he talks say for inside 1 week, they get 600 case them for corona sick people them. So them say the day for local say the population all man it they can pay as so na the same. Now we go take una back for the number 1 day with Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute be the enter Bamenda way be day Tuesday. They become more than plenty where they be the way Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute for place where they call them say matters them country people them but Sabi they can with their message them. They talk say them where they be na youth whether na for Akum na Bali or na even for Bafu where they come out, or them they want a peace. They no one picking uniform people them. They want to say make the be na tomorrow big people them. As soon as see am on top this message, another message where will be pick am, where will I catch on top with the sender for Chief Dr. Joseph Dongute. They say they the one follow now who sabi the roads. Say they don't tire. They want peace. They say they no one war again for Northwest and Southwest. Message where Chief Dr. Joseph Dongute be don't sabi, and they say they believe now for them book no na for Hogan. Then they fight war. Some of the strong message them where even Baligam youth so for that side they don't talk in a peace where they want them for inside Baligam country people them message away no strange for inside Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute here and where he don't see them. So plenty of them they become out for talk come good for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute. The mayor for inside Bamenda 2 council Dedikoli na Ogachen with Peter. He too he be one of the people that we try for talk with we but maybe before we enter for that interview for Parchen with Peter, just for telling her to say for inside Matazem, for Matazem on Tuesday, Governor for West Region, our Fonka Augustine, SDO for Bambutus, Oga Etapa Francois, and the mayor, all the bidede for talk come good for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gutewe Deso, Ebidi Kam, and Bambutus too. He don't hear bad, so for this trouble. So they be one talk their own sides, and for talk too. On top that road for Bamenda, Babaju, where they never fix away Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, he'd already give answer this afternoon for inside place where they call him say Commercial Avenue. Just now, make we hear wait to change with Peter get for talk for we.
They go work for all sides with food. Food from Queen Market, take go with Bambele, Salosto and come back, come for commercial owners, Salosto and come Barish, Salosto and come with food. Now so Prime Minister's over there. Prime Minister no be Prime Minister for sleep for hotel. Now Prime Minister will talk to people. Probably to send any man and say go and meet the people. Don't come and sleep in the hotel. The problem for this region I say most people they come and they want to go down for food start with them. And when we suffer every day, they pretend to say the no one say crisis. We don't want to see the people on the way, you know correct. We feel eligible for here way they support we Mr. Ambayo and Mr. Tanajipo. The other eligible plenty. When they come out mobilize population, probably want to see them. We don't talk with him. Because Prime Minister man we don't for food. Tomorrow you will see Prime Minister for food down. You'll be surprised. You want to listen to people then. They don't come with good message. Tell the problem appointing. You first visit for Norwest region episode. They come Norwest region before go Southwest. They don't come again now for full of national dialogue, language, the execution of the national decision. So we go for be honest and make sure say we will tell the truth family highway. By the moment we tell this man the truth, we will get the solution. No long from now, we will follow go we will smile. We just pray say make all man will be honest. So now every day we just say no people know they people know they. We will just be honest. Tell you which way they. Now one brother we got us for back. Me take a message go and back. Tomorrow, most of people laugh.
Yes, and that's where Oga Chenwe Peter, the mayor for Bamenda, to talk for we sabi say when big man dey come, normal, we must get to a security way it dey too plenty. So as where big man dey come, security to be turn up strong. As so na the see, we get the police, we get the gendarme, we get even army. One day where they be even turn up now to house, they dey look whether some enemy dey for some side way one cause confusion from side way dey. We get the one them, and even the police people them too where they behold their a gun where they prepare say even flyway one come disturb them. They go show that fly say they so side way they dey na for serious business. As soon as they see doctor their own ambulance be turn up for far away. As soon as see and all the uniform people them they be turn up prepare where they be the wait the big man Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute even army themselves they be join up the art na special day and na normal day where security be get for different levels. So all the kind of gun them we wanna no be don't see them. Una the see am just now we they be prepare as we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he be the enter for inside town for place where they call am say Bamenda. But just so sabi say Chenwe Peter when na mayor for Bamenda too, he don't talk say make Prime Minister want come out, he hear his own problem for Bamenda 2 council.
Salute all man, how we do last time. For down. And then you call your mayor, the local authority. We then tell you that challenge is a very environment. We take them to record because that people they cry every day. All right, put a kind of a mayor, we call your mayor office. So as God don't send you, don't reach Bamenda, can't take this message for we go to back. No go back, no take this message from mayor. My municipality are really at the heart of this town. We on and where the probably all man they cry. The first in our school. We will not go company here. We come to the middle of the school now. When now I want to go Bible stand to Allah, I want to go school. Oh, find way look comfortable environment and come back and go back school, go school for here. So that when we come back, the Bible says the economy will boom back, life will come back to normal. Secondly, now we see how many years today. The road will be damaged. What about come on highway? But they don't go back, we find the why is a problem. Go back and withdraw. So 1 million look competent, honest contractor them. We then sign contract with state authorities undertaking. Because I see our contract will take percentage. Let's say like this country. We do genuine our contract. Then I give the mayors them the authority for do supervision and for that report.
Yes, Oga Chenwe Peter we say be the mayor for Bamenda to the talk say wrote may they give contract for people then where they go work the work and may they give power for mayor them for follow up for say make get in the work find now. Last after the long wait, Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute be land for Bamenda for a boundary between Bamenda and West region where they call them say matters them now for the way they so population be turn up for talk come good as soon as Sabi the second time where the enter for Bamenda the first time it be go now for go ask where the people them get before the national man-to-man talk their problem and now it don't turn back for try for ask whether the team where they be talk say they go agree for do am for national man-to-man talk something they way the fish come if they never cut the T they cut am if they never dot I they put the dot on top now wakada way carry Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute for inside Bamenda after Boya where SSB be go there for the same worker so the people them they become up plenty for inside Bamenda, particular for matters them. But Sabi, now for year 2 talk, if first talk, make we hear Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute. Song.
All music stop! All music stop! My brothers and sisters, my sons and daughters of Santa, I thank you and bless you. I thank you and bless you. This welcome when I don't think in a wonderful one. I've never seen this one before. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I come here as a messenger of peace from President Paul Biya. It is a big
say this suffer, it don't finish. I will be with Una here, I will talk with Una. If man get problem, he will bring the problem, we will hear the problem. Don't be so. Not so. But problem, they go be for well. Every place get problem. But if you don't get peace, you don't feel resolve any problem. Don't be so. Not so. So we want to say, even if any problem is still there, even if person they get any grievance, we solve these problems peacefully. We don't tire for bury, we begin them. Don't be so. Not so. We don't tire. We don't live with villages. We don't go other side to go seek refuge. You don't find so. One day people they come back from Amanda. 10 people they come back from Northwest. Not so. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. Plenty for this reception. Thank you.
And just for Sabi say as we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute be talk, he first talk as we be the enter for Bamenda. The continuation will be get for continue for talk. You know, BB, as we gone, they start holla for some far away side. Make we take Una back.
No.
Come down, please. Come down.
And just for Sabi say after we gone Halloway cause some small confusion, the place to be confused. Now for inside the matters them, country people them, direction, na Bamenda way people them say they start for go. After that attack, country people them and that the minister, prime minister too. He surely feel the road, that road where people the Bamenda they cry say they so they fine. Now so to picking them for school, they be come out, them plenty with Cameroon flag, Oman Iglat, and Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute who way he day, who sabi say he over life for waka with foot, he meet up with the city mayor way na build big dance, where city mayor be the dance for talk come good for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute for junction for governor office. Now for up station where this one he happen where the city mayor says he dance so they way he no be there at all. So the first place for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute way be talk for youth, now for governor junction where he talk say make peace. He come and make the left fight for one side. The city mayor for Bamenda, he talk for we.
Now, we Papa don't come. The Prime Minister and Head of Government, Special Representative of the Head of State, President Paul Biya. Now, in all this time where we will just we don't get any program for you to talk plenty, but he will just come up now, and he will salute now briefly, then he will continue his work. Is that also? Alright, we are here. Now, as he come up, we will still continue with the welcome with claps and dance. If you not go for dance, please go for back. If you are shoot too high, move and walk up for food. If your neighbor will disturb you, then you say, give me space, I want to dance before the big band. Are we there? Alright, one time, fire. You are welcome. You are welcome here. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. I want to see your dance.
All right, city mayor for inside Bamenda Day, Oga Paul Tembenwe Sesebi Sakasmo for the Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, he talk for population for Bamenda.
Wonderful dance for you now. We began consult, we began talk, say, he will organize big meeting where he would look after the problems where they did for Northwest and Southwest. Not be so happy talk. 2 years after, he don't send me for Kamba. He can tell me for can tell our population for Northwest. Say the things where they be say he get for do, the things where he be promised for do, he don't accomplish them. Please clap for that. The problems where lawyers they be put up, the problems where teachers they be put up, the problems where politicians they be put up, all those problems, they don't dissect one after another, and they don't find solutions. If be true, say those solutions don't be everybody, you know, say the day. Now the thing is send me here for can't explain. Say those problems, they don't be resolved. Because of that, we no get need for stay for bush again to fight. We no get need for say the prairie we begin them again when they deny for bush. We no get need so the prairie with military brothers and sisters when they count here for protect you. We no get need for make life.
Yes, and just for Sabi say after we be land for Bamenda, it be meet up with plenty people them, and some of the people they meet up now the people they the blow Tory, where Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute try for talk for them, say this matter for independence as we talk, say even British people them, Queen Elizabeth country, it already signed for the union way day, and he don't talk say Bamenda, we be been a town where he get plenty school them, but picking them, they know the fee for learn again for Bamenda, they did now for different side, Bamenda don't go down, and the same Bamenda Binet people then they want come for they for camp money, but the Binet people them they know the fit for do their Binet again for inside Bamenda for seeker the problem. So he beg say make Tory people they been at the one the way they go talk so that peace he go enter for inside back for Bamenda just as we be talk for Tory people them time way he be go for place where they call them say boya. So he say now Tory people they get them up and Tory people then too they get their pen and they get the power for CC make thing then go for before for inside Bamenda and Northwest and Southwest in general. And Sabi say as we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute day for Bamenda this early morning time for place where they call them saying Taturu now for Mezam. They killed some Okada man and they burn the Okada for that side. So for inside Bamenda this morning time for Taturu quarter as we Tory enter for we ear. So now some one bad side that we will hear and the bad Tory we come up for Bamenda this morning time for that side. So for inside Taturu we now under Mezam a division for Northwest region. Make we take newspaper then just now, country people them, inside the newspaper then, we get the Guardian Post, the Sun with the day outside, but with the Guardian Post with the day outside this afternoon, it talk for we, chapter for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute Waka for Bamenda, they say population for Bamenda be take talk for he come good for some special way, like Percy way don't go win gold medal or some baby Musanga, he enter for inside town, he go read to for inside the Guardian Post, we consign the number 3 place. We a council for Boya, it take like the cleanest town inside the whole country. May uniform people that Tory too, if you read them inside the same chapter for the Guardian Post. The Sun newspaper, it gets it own for talk for we inside the Sun. They try for talk for we as we glad it be day. Now so to gone to it be hala as we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he enter for inside Bamenda on Tuesday. Reverend Father Alexander Sop, he Tory too, if you read them for the Sun, plus other chapter for a CPDM reorganization for the Sun newspaper and municipal update. He gets his own chapter for this afternoon country people them inside municipal update. He try for talk as we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he enter for Bamenda for some better way now for municipal updates we they outside this afternoon. So they say population for Bamenda he give Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute better come good like king we they he be come out then he enter back for a town. Other to read them for municipal update on Afisia. We don't finish story for this afternoon and we talk a bit bonde for you. Rita, we the look for site for Kotombange this afternoon and big thank you for Watat. Eric Watat we put camera for me before. Thank you too for people them for backside. We get Derek, Gaber, Jonathan, Malice, and even Manadine. We all them the join hand for Semek Tori Iwaka. So tomorrow for morning time, 8 Papa God degree. Una hold am tight for outside.